What happens in the last 2 minutes that sends people away confused? Most facilitators say one sentence that reopens the discussion right when they are trying to end it. That sentence is, "Any questions?" and it creates either awkward silence or a last-minute derail. In this video, we're going to look at a 3-part close that locks decisions and assigns one owner and a deadline. It takes about 60 seconds, and you can use it in any room or on any Zoom call. That phrase is the default closer in most workplaces. You hear it at the end of team meetings, workshops, and status calls. Facilitators use it because it feels polite and looks like a check for understanding. It seems like the natural way to make sure everyone is on the same page, but that one sentence actually does the opposite of closing. It reopens the discussion floor at the exact moment you're trying to end the meeting and get everyone back to work. When you use that closer, you create 2 failure modes. The first is the awkward silence where energy leaks out of the room and the meeting ends on a flat note. The second is the last-minute derail where one person reopens a topic you already decided and traps everyone in the room. A real close prevents both by locking the outcome, naming the next step, and assigning ownership. Now let's look at the 3-part close. It's built from 3 short sentences you say out loud. Part 1 is state the decision. The second part is name the next step. Part 3 is assign owner plus deadline. These 3 sentences replace any questions entirely, and you don't need notes or a slide because you just say them in order at the end of any meeting. The first part is state the decision. Restate what the group decided in one clear sentence. For example, we decided to revise the launch plan. Next, name the next step. Say what happens next in plain language. For example, the marketing team will update the campaign timeline. The third part is assign owner plus deadline. Name the person and give a clear deadline. For example, Jordan will send the draft by end of day Tuesday. The order is the trick. Decision, next step, then owner and deadline. This sequence prevents negotiation and locks the outcome before people start debating who does the work. There's one more step that makes this work. Ask the owner for verbal confirmation by saying, "Jordan, you'll send the draft by end of day Tuesday, correct?" This creates a clear commitment and gives the owner a final chance to object if the deadline is impossible. A clear ending creates a clear beginning for the next meeting. Let's look at the exact words to use in a real-world scenario. Imagine you're finishing a project sync. The close sounds like this. We decided to revise the launch plan. The marketing team will update the campaign timeline. Jordan will send the draft by end of day Tuesday. Jordan, end of day Tuesday. Correct? That's the whole close in 4 short sentences. You say the sentences, wait for the yes, and then end the meeting immediately. If you're on Zoom, just ask the owner to drop a quick yes in the chat to create a written record of the commitment. Someone will still try to reopen the discussion at the last second, so use the parking lot move. Say, "That's a good point. I'm going to park that and add it to the next meeting agenda so we can respect everyone's time." Then return to your close and end the meeting. A strong close locks the decision and ensures the discussion stays closed. Replacing any questions with this structured framework turns every ending into a launch for the next phase of work. If you want more practical meeting fixes like this, 1. Subscribe to Better Meetings Lab. In the next video, we're going to look at the other end of the meeting. We'll break down exactly how to start a meeting without wasting those first 5 minutes on small talk and technical issues.